guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I figured I will film a fun spring makeup tutorial because you guys know spring is officially here, and I pretty much play with all drugstore makeup product like always. You guys already know I love drugstore products. If you guys want to see me use high-end makeup products, let me know in the comment section down below because I haven't filmed anything with high-end makeup in a while on my channel. So let me know if you want to break from drugstore and just kind of jump into some high-end products. Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and of course share my content with your friends and family. I will greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look right here, then of course let's get started. Alright you guys, so starting off, I'm going to use my palette from Essence. It's going to be the G-Day Sydney eyeshadow palette, which look like this. The colors in here are really pretty. They definitely scream spring colors to me, so I'm going to use this palette for today's look. So starting off with my crease color, I'm going to use this light brown color right here. And I told you guys this palette is super inexpensive. They cost all of $10. I do have another palette like this from them, which I like. So definitely check out their palettes like these. Is that theme as far as like the different names of places. So check out their palettes like that. You can get it at Ulta. Again, it's super affordable and they're really good palettes. So going into the next color, I'm going to take this really pretty green color, which is going to be this one right here, and just put it all over my lid as my lid color. I'm going to apply it dry, and of course I'll apply it wet if need be. Alright, so I am going to spray my brush because applying it dry is not the most pigmented, so let's just see what happens when the brush is wet. And then for my outer V, I'm going to take this really pretty dark brown right here and just put it in my outer V. Going into my Belle Jordan palette, which looks like this, I'm going to take this really pretty orange color called Sagittarius, this color right here, and just apply it right above where I put that brown for my transition color. face, I do have my Wet n Wild PrimeFocus Primer Serum. It's called Hydrating, which looks like this. You guys seen this in my full face of, well, yeah, full face of new drugstore makeup. So I told you guys I did enjoy this product. It smells so good. And I love the dropper on it. I want to try the one by e.l.f. They have something similar to the Wet n Wild one that I want to get my hands on, so I can try that one next. So just gotta get it either online. I haven't seen it in store. I haven't checked Ulta, but I haven't seen it in like Walmart or anything like that. If not, probably gotta get it from Target or online. So all right, and then for foundation, I do have the L'Oreal Infallible. It's going to be in the color called, what color are you? 510. So just gonna apply this to my face. I'm just gonna take my Smashbox primer water and just spray my brush. I washed my brushes the other day, so my brush feels really like dry. So I just want to get some moisture in my brush. Get this foundation to apply more smoothly. Going with my beauty sponge, just gonna get all of these brush strokes off my face. You guys know the drill already. This part is nothing new. All right, and then for concealer, I pulled out 2 concealers from my collection. I have the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer in the color called Golden, which looks like this. And I also have my L'Oreal Infallible. It's going to be in the color called 410 Almond. I'm just going to apply my NYX one first. It's more like my brightening concealer. And this is more medium coverage. Then I'm going to apply my L'Oreal underneath it. Translucent powder, I do have the Wet n Wild Focus translucent powder in the color called Translucent. I did use this twice off camera and I actually enjoyed it in terms of having dry skin, so I figured I would actually use it on camera today just to kind of set my concealer. You guys know I love my Airspun. Like, that's my holy grail loose setting powder if you have dry skin. Kisses mineral powder in the color called Caramel. You can get Ruby Kisses at the beauty supply store if you haven't tried their products out. They have some really good affordable products. I love their highlighters. Those are really pigmented and pretty, so just check them out at your local beauty supply store. And then going back into my eyes, I'm going to take that same Essence palette, and I'm thinking I want to dive into this blue. It is so pretty, and just put it on my waterline. I have been using blues in my waterline because I just think it looks so pretty. It is a shimmer shade, so keep that in mind, but it's gorgeous. I'm just going to take this light blue color right here and also this shimmer shade and just mix the two and put it into my inner tear duct. And then going into the Belle Jordan palette, I'm going to take that orange color and just put it on my bottom lash line. So going into my bronzer, I did pick out a old palette. It's going to be the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I have it in medium to dark. I haven't used this in so long on my face, so I figured I'd just pull it out today. I'm just going to use that contour shade right here. I pulled out the Catrice Time Eman blush palette, which looks like this. Such a pretty palette. I am going to use this color called Cairo down here. It's more like a muted blush, almost like a plum kind of color. It's really pretty, but it's really subtle for like an eye look like this. And then for my waterline, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the color called Brown and just put it in my waterline. I'm going to use this besides black because black will pretty much just close my eyes off. And I want it to stay nice and bright. Just going to use the brown instead. Alright you guys, moving into the highlighter, I do have the NYX Born to Glow Highlighting Palette. You guys know I love this palette, especially this color right down here. I haven't used it in so long because, again, you know, new year, trying to try out new makeups, but I just love going into my collection and trying old favorites. So I'm going to use this one today. I'm actually going to mix it with this gold color as well. Just going to mix the two. I'm just gonna take my Smashbox primer water and just spray my face. All right, and then for lips, I do have two colors in front of me. It's going to be my LA Girl lip liner in the color called Espresso, and of course my Wet n Wild Makeup Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick in the color called Cedar Later, which looks like this. Just going to apply these two to my lips and my lip combo for today. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much going to be the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video where I created my go-to, well, not my go-to, but like a fun spring makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.